What's good, family? Today we're gonna go over Supreme Week 9 drop list. There's nothing too crazy dropping this week, but at this point I've been consistent with all the content, so I might as well drop this quick one for y'all. Before we sit down with the green screen, I also want to say that the Jordan 1 satin breads are actually sitting on the sneakers app. This is not what I was expecting, bro, and you can kind of see where we are in this day and age of sneakers. I was expecting these to sell out at least on the sneakers app, but last time I checked, these are still sitting. Let me know if y'all just slept on these. Did anybody actually want these? Even bigger sizes are sitting. That honestly caught me by surprise, so I thought might as well put it in this video for y'all. I don't know what's going on. People definitely didn't want these, and I wonder if that energy is gonna carry over to the Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. Low key, I got those right here in a box. Haven't seen them yet. I'm waiting for my organic reaction on my unboxing video, so make sure y'all subscribe for that. These are sitting, bro. It's crazy, crazy. I think it's a clean pair. Apparently nobody else agrees, but all that being said, leave a like on this video, subscribe, because we're on the road to 22,000. We about to hit it soon in due time, but all that being said, leave a like on this video and let's get into the Supreme Week 9 drop list. The Week 9 drop list is low-key kind of small. We got probably like 16 to 18 items. We got the Resistant 6 panel. This one comes in 5 different colorways. Almost gives me Nautica vibes, thrifty Nautica vibes on this one. I definitely feel like I would skip on this and not even really care. This is the highly resistant 6 panel. If y'all copping that, let me know. These court posits, aren't these the ones that Green Goblin had on? Or even Batman, bro. I don't know. Hold up. Was it Batman or Green Goblin? I think it might have been Green Goblin. Boom. Yeah, he has some shit like this on. I might be wrong. Honestly, these green ones are giving me Green Goblin vibes. I'm definitely gonna be sleeping on these. Coming off of the dunks to give us some shit like this is horrendous, bro. At the end of the day, this is what I'm used to from Supreme. Don't normally throw us some bullshit collabs like this one, so I'm not even tripping, bro. End of the day, those deserve to be at the bottom of the list. We got the piping zip up polo, the Let's Go Bowling joint right here, bro. Shout out DJ Khaled. 3 different colors on this one. They're all equally as dookie, unless you're on your Carlton vibe, you feel me? Depending on how you freaking it, you might be able to freak it, bro. Like with some slacks and some loafers. Low key is kind of a vibe, I'm not gonna lie. It depends what you wearing this one with. It's not my style, you feel me? So I leave that for the preppy boys out here. We got the leather overalls, bro. It ain't leathers, leopard homes. This shit is wild cowboy, bro. This is low-key what Drake has been wearing on tour. The leather joint, bro. Let me know if y'all gonna be picking this up. Hey, I'm at a loss for words, bro. This with the satin Jordan 1s is a crazy fit. I'm not gonna lie, crazy. $448 for retail too is insane, bro. We got the leather work vest. This one comes in 2 different colorways. Honestly, this isn't horrible. It's not horrible, bro. I wish they would have just done a reversible vest on this one. That would have been 10 times better. The inside one color out, y'all know what reversible is. That would have made it better in my opinion. $300 for that shit, bro. They are licking tips. That's crazy. Supreme Dickies beanie. It's giving me like Pele Sean John Fubu beanies. It feels like some shit like this, bro. I understand that's what's in now and shit. Definitely not for me. I see why this is at the bottom of the list. We got the mohair beanie, 5 different colors. Look at the transfer of the length between the pieces, bro. We can't make this shit up. At the end of the day, you're gonna need that thing from Walmart where you could take all the length off to make this beanie presentable. Because imagine spending $50 on a beanie and it come like this. This should look like it's 4 years old and you just bought it. Like, nah. I'm only rocking with the loose gauge beanies type shit. Dickies jersey. This one comes in just this one woodland camo backyard type colorway. Supreme on the sleeves. It's cool. Nothing too exuberant on this piece. We gonna leave it right there at the end of the day. I don't think it's horrible, but it's just not for me, bro. And I can understand when that's the case. We got the needlepoint jacket. Both of these colors go crazy. First and foremost, this khaki-ish, greenish, sage-ish color. Nasty. Yeah, this is hard. This is hard. Alright, this is a banger, bro. Maybe it's just me. Once again, y'all come to my videos to get my opinion. So I'm giving y'all my opinion, bro. Raw and uncut. This shit is hard. The only good piece so far, everything else is buns, bro. Straight butt cheeks. But this one, this is a banger, bro. This is actually hard. It's still giving me that 90s aesthetic because of the colors that it has on it, but it's not insane, bro. Like, it's not a mantel, aka a tablecloth from back in the day like I thought the beanie was looking like. This is actually fire. It's giving me Arizona bottle from the 90s, Patagonia, all of that in this one piece. I don't know, I'm just spewing my thoughts onto this video. This is clean. Colorway is clean. It's simple on the front. Damn, to sound like I'm smoking bogeys. Simple on the front, crazy on the back. Definitely clean, bro. Let me know if y'all messing with this one, the grandma's pillow jacket. If I were to cop, I'd probably just go for this khaki-ish color. The black one is hard too, bro. Undeniable. This is hard. $278 is kind of steep, but at the end of the day, fully embroidered, so gotta give respect where it's due. We got the Supreme Dickies fur collar bomber jacket. One of those pieces where, like, if you don't know this is Supreme, you don't know this is Supreme. Just go pick up a used Dickies one from Goodwill, bro, for $15, maybe 30 nowadays because they tax it. Yeah, I wouldn't pick this up from Supreme. That needlepoint jacket we just spoke about is something that kind of makes sense to pick up. It has extra details on it, gives you a little bit more for what you're paying. This is basically a bomber jacket, bro. You could find this anywhere realistically, so it just doesn't make sense how this has more likes than this needlepoint jacket. I just will never understand it. You got the Dickies double knee baggy jeans, bro. If y'all freaking with these, let me know in the comments. These are wild cowboy, bro. Like, I don't know when these came back into style, especially the two on the right, bro. Like, if you freaking those two on your far right, you're bugging. At least send me some fit pics so I could see the vibe, bro, because these are wild. Like, I'm straight on all of this shit. Patch in the middle of the butt crack is insane, bro. Insane. Look at the patch. Middle of the crack. That's the fart stopper right there. But nah, we good on these. Corduroy camp cap. I don't know if they trying to bring this retro vibe this week, but the hat straight in the middle is definitely giving me that retro vintage effect. Kind of wish they would have chose different colorways to do a multicolor one. Personally, I would have went with gray on the top, black on the sides. I'm going off the head, by the way. Like, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Black on the sides, gray on the top, red on the front panel, tan on the brim. Tell me I'm tripping. I feel like that would be a better combo because the Supreme box logo is normally red, so I'll put the red on the front. Bruh, maybe I'm tripping, but I think it's a solid idea, Supreme. End of the day, I'd probably sleep on this shit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I don't have no corduroy hats, and I kind of want to keep it that way. Supreme Dickies plaid zip-up shirt. Thought this was a jacket when I first saw it. I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, what? Are y'all copping this? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if y'all picking this up. Low-key, I have something similar to this from Stussy. I think I said it a couple weeks ago. They keep dropping plaid. I bought my Stussy one on eBay for like $14, bro. And I would dare to say that that shit is better than this. So yeah, $148, nah, good on that. We got the thermal pants, 3 different colorways. This is 1 per pack if y'all don't know. Would y'all freak these just like this to go outside? Let me know, honestly. Are y'all just gonna freak these to clean the snow, or y'all gonna put this under a pair of sweats? Like, how y'all rocking? Are y'all hype beast enough to just freak this balls to the wall willy-nilly in the streets? Consider these a pair of sweats, or y'all will actually put some sweats over these. In that case, you don't need Supreme ones, but whatever. This thermal I honestly like more than the pants or whatever you would call those, the bottoms. I like the top way more. I just feel like it's more wearable. You could low-key pull this off as a shirt type shit, especially if you're just chilling. Real easy, real smooth, real simple. Definitely would freak with the cream color, but that shit would get dingy. So probably the black one, bro. I think this is hard. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, low-key, I'm debating on picking this up just because, low-key. All 3 colors are clean. I love that skeleton aesthetic. I think it did get a little oversaturated with all them skeleton hoodies and shit. Y'all know which ones I'm talking about, the full zips. But you could low-key subtly pull this off. Now we're getting to the top 3 pieces. This Catwoman hooded sweatshirt is a masterpiece, if I must say so myself. This one is fire, bro. Straight heat. This one comes in 5 different colorways and they're all clean, bro, for the most part. I'm gonna tell y'all my favorites. The navy one is decent. Honestly, the pink on the back kind of throws it off for me. Black on black cannot go wrong. This shit is sexy. We do got gray with the yellow on the back. This one's not bad at all, but my favorite is the olive, bro. This shit is sexy. It says live from New York. You got that Supreme box logo like the T I think they did back in the day. I might be tripping, but I'm over here doubting myself and my Supreme knowledge, bro. Chill, stop playing with me. Yeah, they dropped this in 2013, some shit like that. It's not bad, you feel me? I love the fact that they brought up an OG design again. The way they did it is tasteful. They didn't do nothing too crazy. I'm kind of glad the graphic is on the back because it just feels way more clean, in my opinion, at least, with that small box on the front, big hit on the back. Definitely a banger. Low key, if I wasn't leaving on a trip, this would be something I'd consider buying, especially with a pair of kicks that I got that would go so clean with this right here, but damn, I'm still debating on picking this up. We're gonna have to see. Definitely a hard piece. Green with the red is a little insane in my opinion. I think I would sleep on every color besides the black, olive, and if those both sold out, I would just go for the gray. I love the way that the black and white is on the back of this one for the black and the olive. Two pieces left, one of them being tactical stool set. This one comes in a set of two, either the black set or the red set, and it basically spells out Supreme. But the cool part about this is if you live in a small place, low-key like I do, you can have extra seating off the whim, bro. Like I could pull this shit from the bottom of the couch, boom, 2 seats, you feel me? It makes sense. Now the price, $248. Now hey, that's a little steep, I'm not gonna lie. It is aluminum, it's lightweight, it's durable, it's packable, whatever you want to say. At the end of the day, $300 for 2 stools, bro? Nah. We good on that one. It's the price, bro. Like if this shit was $100, maybe like half that price, like $128, you might be interested in me a little bit, but $248 is ridiculous. This holographic slice card set, $18, you feel me? Those are the type of prices we like to see. We not trying to spend $250 on 2 seats. I would spend $28 on a pack of cards, which is still ridiculous, you know, but it's definitely more doable. This is not bad. I already have a Supreme card set, so I'm not really too pressed for this one, but I do love that holographic effect. Not bad. Let me know if y'all gonna be picking up the card set. I definitely would recommend, if you're gonna buy something else, might as well add the card set. Like if you're picking up the thermal or you're picking up the hoodie, might as well add the card set. If you're paying for shipping separate for this, it makes it a little more iffy, but $18 added to $158, it's not too crazy, bro. You might as well just do it. At least that's how I feel. But that pretty much does it for the drop list. Let me know what y'all are gonna be going for in the comments. For me, there's a couple standout pieces, one of them being the needlepoint hooded jacket. Caught me by surprise. I actually really love that jacket. This Catwoman hoodie in the olive colorway is honestly a masterpiece. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I love that one. Simple, still has that branding that Supreme gives you, and it's just beautiful, bro. Those 2 front colorways, bangers. Stool set isn't bad, but then again, that retail price low-key butchers that whole shit for me. Like, why would I spend that on this when I could low-key get myself this jacket? Maybe I'm tripping. At the end of the day, if you do have a large space, a basement where you could leave these displayed, put your kicks on in your sneaker room, it makes sense, but it just depends on your situation. Holographic slice cards, which honestly I am a huge fan of. Don't know if I'm gonna be picking it up, but at the end of the day, I could appreciate it for what it is. If I am gonna pick up this hoodie though, I might as well add this card set to it. That's low-key how I'm feeling. Let me know what y'all are gonna be going for in the comments, or are you sleeping? Which is also respectable, bro. Save your money. There's a lot of sneaker releases coming, and if you don't even want that shit, bro, I understand it. Just chill. Like, save your money. I respect it, bro. It is what it is. But I love y'all. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. Make sure y'all subscribe. We got way more content on the way. This is just the beginning. I low-key got like a fresh wind to make content again. I got a new cam, which I am gonna be doing a video on shortly. This is gonna upgrade my content tenfold. I'm trying to learn new techniques as far as editing, just to make sure everything is evolving at a constant pace. I low-key was stagnant for way too long, especially when I was just dedicating my time to Supreme. Nowadays, I'm more so on the sneaker side of things, which I love way more. As y'all can see, I'm still feeding y'all the Supreme content that y'all love, but I'm doing what I love as well, which is sneaker content. Just for that, bro, clap in the comments and leave a like on this video, subscribe. More content on the way always. I hope y'all have an amazing rest of your day, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.